Aren't you tired of going to the mechanic just to get ripped off for simple maintenance? Stop throwing your money away. Just watch this video. I'm going to show you how to clean your battery terminals using this battery cleaner right here and this wire brush. And here is all the steps you need to take. First, you want to disconnect the battery, and when you do, you always want to start with the negative first, then you disconnect the positive. So always disconnect the negative, then you disconnect the positive. But when you're reconnecting the battery, you start with the positive first, then the negative. And this is really easy to do. This is like a little quick maintenance that you could do yourself, and it doesn't even really take that long. You don't need to be an expert at doing it. I'm actually doing this at an AutoZone parking lot right now, so this is like really easy, nothing you have to be afraid of. And once you disconnect the positive and the negative, make sure it don't touch the terminals on the battery. And now that I disconnected the battery, I'm gonna spray down the terminals. Make sure you read the direction on your battery cleaner. With mine, I gotta let it sit for like a minute. Now that it's been sitting for a minute, I'm gonna use the wire brush. And this is pretty simple. Once you put it on it, all you gotta do is just move it left and right. That's it. The wire brush has a cap. All you have to do is open it up and you'll be able to use the other end to clean the positive and negative wires. And once you're done, all you gotta do is clean it up and put everything back together. And now I'm gonna use this battery terminal protector. It helps with preventing corrosion on your battery terminals. Just make sure you reconnect the battery first and then you can spray it. And that's it, you're all done.